Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. All the tests of S-500 missile system have been completed, after which this system is now considered as the world's most advanced air defense system, will soon be deployed in Russian army. Russia claims that even the stealth fighter planes of enemies will not be able to escape from the state-of-the-art radar of this system. The development of S-500 was done by Russian company Almaz Ante, which has also developed series of missile defense system from S-300 to S-400. The S-400 is already considered as the best air defense system at present by most of the defense analysts. With S-500 development, Russia is taking a big leap of technology. Today, we will be discussing in detail about the new S-500 system and what's the new level of protection this system is going to offer. The upcoming S-500, dubbed Prometheus, will be called first generation of space defense system SDS and not just air defense system. It will have capabilities to destroy satellites in the low orbit. The missile is designed to destroy even the hypersonic and intercontinental ballistic missiles. Russia also recently tested its S-500 with interceptors capable of eliminating hypersonic targets. In June 2021, S-500 was supposedly tested at Khmeim Air Base, Syria, receiving a lock on the F-35 stealth fighter jet. In late May 2021, Russian President Vladimir Putin said that the S-500 trials will be completed soon. Over 70% of surface-to-air missile regiments in the Aerospace Force have been rearmed with advanced S-400 systems. The S-500 system, whose trials are successfully nearing completion, is next to be delivered to the troops. The S-500 makes use of a sophisticated guidance system and will use the impact principle to destroy the warhead of ballistic missiles. The S-500 utilizes a combination of missiles to intercept a variety of aerial targets. It employs 40N6, which is also installed in S-400 to neutralize the aerodynamic targets. For ballistic missiles, the system uses 77N6 with conventional and nuclear warheads to destroy targets in the trans-atmospheric sector and in near space. The S-500 has an active-passive radar which allows it to conduct reconnaissance and detect air objects and issue target designations to air defense fire weapons even without broadcasting. Another key feature of S-500 is its ability to scan a sector, unlike most other radars that scan in circles. According to the unofficial information, the S-500 will have a response time of about just 3 to 4 seconds compared to 9 to 10 seconds of the S-400. The S-500 has a range of 600 km for anti-ballistic missile, 500 km for air defense. It would be able to detect and simultaneously engage up to 10 ballistic hypersonic targets flying at a speed between Mach 14 to Mach 20. The missile can destroy hypersonic cruise missiles and other aerial targets at a speed higher than Mach 5. The altitude of target engaged can be as high as 180 to 200 kilometers. It is effective against ballistic missile with a launch range of 3,500 kilometers, as its radar reaches a radius of 300 kilometers. Other targets it has been announced to defend against include unmanned aerial vehicle, low Earth flying orbit satellites, and space weapons launched from hypersonic aircraft, drones, and hypersonic orbital platforms. The main missile of S-500 is 40N6 missile, a 30 feet long, 2-stage solid fuel missile capable of reaching the speed of Mach 9, having a blast fragmentation warhead with a range of 310 miles and 95% accuracy. The Prometheus will use two new missile types, the 77N6N and 77N6N1, the first ever Russian missiles with inert warheads capable of destroying nuclear warheads by force of impact. The missile will strike ballistic missiles at a height of 185 km, considerably minimizing the impact of their debris. The S-500 system is expected to use 91N6A Battle Management Radar, 96L6 PSP Target Acquisition Radar, besides 766 Multi-Mode Engagement Radars. The other components will be launch vehicle and command post. The types of missile used, especially for long range, is ABM, ATBM, RODE. Has not been disclosed yet. It is likely to be a derivative of S-12B Giant 2-stage ATBM. Since the 776 launch vehicle is originally meant to carry 2 containers of SA-12B. The other missiles to be used against classical airborne targets are likely to be same as in S-400 system. West has already expressed their concerns over the deployment of S-500 system. It is largely seen as a threat to the US 5th generation stealth fighters like Lockheed Martin's F-35, F-22 Raptor and B-2 bombers. According to the National Interest Report, S-500 is expected to network with existing systems including S-400, S-300, S-350 and other weapons to provide an integrated defense system. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.